Before we begin this video, please subscribe right now and click the notification bell to get news on Asante Kotoko. Welcome everyone, welcome back to Daily Porcupine, the ultimate Kotoko fan channel. Now the big question is, can Asante Kotoko win the Ghana Premier League this season? Wow. Now, when I feel that we have one time I felt that we had what it takes to win the Ghana Premier League. That was after the Kerala United match, because the spirit the boys showed in that game, it touched me. I was like, these boys can play, and I think they got what it takes to win the Ghana Premier League. And that kind of mentality is what I want consistently. If it's not consistent, there is no way you can win the Ghana Premier League. You see some clubs, they go out to play and be like, let's win this game. Win this game, win this game. See Dreams FC, Kerala United, Mediama, they reshaped the mentality, the style of play, and overall club mentality, and that is why they are moving higher on the table. I know we have our standing games, and if we win all our standing games, we are going to be at the top of the table with I think 2 points above everyone else. But I think that if we don't change our own mentality, we are not going to win the Ghana Premier League this season. Now I see we've gone to Africa, we've gone out to play ES Satif, played Nodibo FC, and we've played out and put out some impressive performances out there. Now coming back to Ghana, we are expecting other teams to respect us. They won't. When they meet Kotoko is when they put out their best performances. All Premier League clubs, even if a team loses 8 games in a row, when they meet Kotoko, they will put out their best performances, because they want to show you that you are in Ghana. Your performance in Africa doesn't matter when you come back here. That is why against House of Oak, I was expecting the club to not underrate the players, not to underrate House of Oak. They went there and expected House of Oak to be afraid of them, to be scared of them. House of Oak played very well in that first half. We played nothing in the first half. We tried to do better in the second half, but we couldn't. We missed a lot of chances. Like I said earlier, I feel that if we want to win the Ghana Premier League, we have a lot of things to work on. First of all, the coach, his team selection plays a huge role on how the game shapes. You start a player, you feel like, oh, let me start him and see if it doesn't work out. I'll put the player I had in mind in the second half. Or let's start this player and see if it doesn't work out, we'll put this one in the second half. No, that's not how it works. Say, this is the player that is fit. This is the player that impressed me in training. Put this player in the team. This player didn't play well last game. Change him and put another player. That is how you progress as a club. Emmanuel Jimfi is our captain. He hasn't made any real contribution or influenced our game greatly this season, and he's our captain. What does that speak of the club? Personally, as the coach, I will give Abdul Ganiu the captain armband, because he shows, or Razak Abalora, because those two people, they command the team more than Emmanuel Jimfi. And sometimes I feel that these things you feel that they are little, they have a way of influencing the way the boys play on the pitch. So I feel that we have a lot of things to work on. The coaching, the technical staff, the players. Passing. It won't give you win you games. Score goals. Goals win you games. See the game against Edwana Stars. We played the most beautiful game in the Premier League this season. Most beautiful game. They got one chance, bam, and that's it. They scored 3 points their way. That is how you win game. Go for goal. Stop the cosmetics. Stop the passing. Go. Your target is not to hold the ball and control the game. We don't do that. Score the goal first and control the game. That is how you win games. If we don't change our mentality, if the coaches don't make the right substitution. I mean, Augustine Okra was on the bench against House of Oak. Augustine Okra, that was very, very good against Ashanti Gold. Not extremely good, but very good, considering the fact that he hasn't played a competitive game because he was out on trials at RS Bekene. He came back and he played fairly good. Why not play him? Why not play him against House of Oak? Bringing Patrick Asma as a winger when you have Augustine Okra and the bench. Those kind of decisions, those kind of changes will not win you games. Those kind of decisions you make in the pitch cannot win you games. It can't win you the Ghana Premier League. We just have to be, how will I put it, the coaches and the players, they have to reason like winners in this situation, because I feel that when we meet Idwana Stars again, or Mediema and all those clubs, we are going to see a different mentality from them, because they feel like, oh, these people are our title rivals, we have to put out a good performance against them, we have to win them, we have to at least get a point from them. Now we are coming to the game to show that we are the big boys. Play them, pass them. No, that is not how we will win the Ghana Premier League this season. That is not how we will win the Ghana Premier League this season. If we want to win the Ghana Premier League, we should come out with a plan that we have to win this game. Not if you go there, don't lose. No, that is not mentality that win you game. So I feel if Kotoko want to win the Ghana Premier League this season, the first thing they have to do is to sort out the transfer issue, a transfer ban and player registration stuff. Sort it out. After sorting that out, buy players. After buying players, the coaches should start making sensible decisions even before the game. Even before the game, pick the right players. If a player didn't perform well or doesn't perform well in his previous game, he goes back to the bench and you bring other person. That is how you create competition. That is how you boost morale, and that's how you make players who are underperforming perform. If Emmanuel Jimfi is not playing very well, bench him and another player will come out and put up impressive performance, and Emmanuel Jimfi will step up his performance. He will know that I'm sitting in the bench because I haven't been playing well, and he will come out and put out performance, the performance you want when you put him again in the pitch. So these are the kind of things that will win you games and eventually give you the Premier League title. But if we don't do changes or make changes in this particular situations and areas in the club, there is no way, I'm telling you honestly, there is no way we can win the Premier League if coaches don't start making these decisions as early as possible. You can't just wait till the game and say, oh, let me try this guy. Let's try Patrick. Patrick Asma is not a winger. Why are you trying him in the wings when you have Augustine Okra at the bench? Godfrey Isiema was not in the squad. I don't want to talk too much. I think if I continue, this video is going to be 30 minutes long. So that is what I think Kotoko should do if they want to win the Ghana Premier League title this season. But right now, with the way we are playing and the current mentality of the entire squad, right now I don't think we can win the Ghana Premier League this season. So I feel that until we change our mentality and our decision making in the club, technical staff and the players overall, we are not going to win the Ghana Premier League. I would like to hear your thoughts. Put that in the comment section and tell me what you think. I think that's all for today. If you haven't subscribed, do that right now and hit the notification bell. Till next time, guys, goodbye.